Okay, we're starting our sewer scope here. This line was originally hit with the bore machine. We are going down after it's been repaired and jetted out. This is where we're in the concrete lateral here. This is where the repair was made. Right there. Continue down. We are slightly underwater here. It's looking pretty clean though. We're not pushing any rocks or debris here. And this is where, actually, we're about to the city line right there. And the city line is looking clear. But back here, there's no rocks or debris, but you kind of go underwater. So there is a bit of an existing belly in this line, I believe.